On today's menu, a recipe that's delicious and easy to make, it makes MISO happy. MISO chickpea rice. Lei Ho Ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking. I'm Yeung. This is one of those recipes you'll want to make on repeats because it's absolutely delicious and it's very simple to make. Before we get started, if you enjoyed today's episode, definitely give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Rinse and drain a 400 ml can of chickpeas and place into a large mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Season with salt and pepper. About a tablespoon of avocado oil. Toss the coat, then transfer the chickpeas to a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Dice about 170 grams of king oyster mushrooms and place into the same mixing bowl. King oyster mushrooms have a nice firm texture and delicious umami. This recipe should be good for 2 to 3 portions, but of course you can multiply to make more if you like. About 90 grams of smoked tofu, diced. If you cannot find smoked tofu, you can sub this out for extra firm tofu instead. Add the smoked tofu to the mushrooms, then toss the coat using the residual seasoning. Transfer to the baking tray. Spread it out so it cooks fairly evenly. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we can make the rice by adding 1.5 cups of short grain rice to a sauté pan. Rinse and drain the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. One and a half cups water. Medium-high heat. A good tablespoon of miso paste. When the water begins to bubble, give the miso paste and the rice a little stir. Do not worry about completely dissolving the miso paste. Cover and cook on medium-low for 15 minutes. In the meantime, chop about 4 sticks of green onions. The green onions will add a nice pop of green color and a delicious freshness. Make a sauce by combining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon plant-based oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon smoky spicy chili oil, 1 teaspoon black vinegar or regular rice vinegar. This is a chili oil I made in a past episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. This will add incredible aroma and amazing smoky spicy flavor as well. Give the sauce a stir and set aside. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off and let the rice steam further for another 10 minutes. What I love most about these types of recipes is the timing and the order of operations. From start to finish, it really takes about 25 to 30 minutes and everything finishes around the same time, which is really awesome. Add the fresh green onions and the baked veggies to the rice. Pour in half the sauce and give it a mix. Remember, you can always add more, but you cannot take away. That sauce would also be fantastic for your next noodle stir fry. Plate the rice generously. You can now serve up this delicious recipe with absolute confidence. You can really smell that miso aroma in here. Amazing. Man, not only is that visually beautiful, but absolutely delicious. Right from that first bite, you are welcomed with this extraordinary earthy flavor from the smoked tofu, the king oyster mushrooms, and there's this depth of umami from that miso paste that's just melted into that rice. The rice is nice and fluffy, and there's this tofu, chickpea, mushroom mix that adds incredible body to this dish. There's the salty, that spicy, little tanginess from that sauce, and of course that smoky aroma from the smoked paprika and that chili oil. It makes all the difference when you're cooking the toppings separately in the oven instead of steaming it with the rice, because the steam will be cooking it in moisture, whereas the oven is actually taking moisture away. So you get this more pronounced, robust texture and more intense flavor from those toppings. And to be able to make a dish that's simple and yet complex in flavors in the comfort of your very own kitchen, that is just extraordinary. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes that makes it so exciting to cook at home. And if you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of now one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version of these books. You can also check out the Young Man Cooking merch, like the ceramic ramen bowl or that sushi masterclass, in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. If you enjoyed today's episode, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do that so that we can cook together again in the next episode.